How's it going, Tomer? Mr. Glick? Carrion, also. Hello. And Bad Cop. Wasn't expecting to see you so soon. Yeah, I don't know. I was tired. I took a nap. I don't know. Can't sleep. I took a nap. I think I got some sleep, but I don't know, not like deep sleep, I don't think. But whatever. Alright, so we were having issues with the we're like stretching pixels even though our Here, let me go back to 320. Let me see. We go back to the aspect, or what was it? We were on viewport for a second. Let's stick to viewport. Yeah, why are we getting so many pixels? Looking for a good Java project? Like something to do? Make Minecraft. With the absolute. How's it going, Pagorli? Whose stream was I on? I was watching I forgot their name. Is it DJ Dev? Oh, JD. I saw Pagorli and Bad Cop fighting. Bum bum. Shenanigans. Alright, so yeah, let me see something. Let me look at our game as well. Also, our position, our player's position isn't being saved correctly. Or it is being saved, but then I think because we have our player overriding the, like, colliding with this object right here, it messes with the save. So let me see if that is what's happening. No, it happens no matter what. We could add our player after the world has been instanced instead of putting it in the scene, but here, you know what? We won't fix that right now. Let me go into our, where do I put this in? I think it's in our profile node. When we load the player, let me see, set player position. Yeah, let's return for now. But yeah, it's interesting. We're like being spawned like all the way up here. We'll see. So yeah, we don't get any of those stretching pixels in our game here. We are multiplying the view, like we are literally scaling it up. So like here would be a good example of like, let me see. Yeah, we don't get any stretching pixels. So can we throw, I guess I'll try it again. We tried doing it earlier today, but it didn't work. So we had a viewport, wait, actually, let me see something. In our main scene, we have, apparently I have this as a 2D node. I wonder if that matters. I don't think it matters. Now let's change this to not a control, just a regular node. Maybe just high resolution in menus. So yeah, we could go back to it, but like the reason I like the low res is because it's easier for me to like design stuff. Like, you know, our menu actually looks, I was thinking about it and I was looking at the menu, I was like, wow, it actually looks half decent, you know? And I don't think I would be able to do something similar in non-pixel art. And especially once we start getting into other like art, like, you know, other UI. I mean, it's just lines. I guess I could get better at it. Like making line, like, yeah. I mean, it could just be a line, higher res. It wouldn't be a big deal. But it's bothering me that it's still low. Like, it's bothering me that the UI is high res. It doesn't make sense to me. We'll see. Make it high res and still pixel art. Yeah, we could do that, but I feel like there must be something that we're just doing wrong, I think. All right, so let me just transparent handle input locally. Own world. Is this usually where I put it? See, quick world. No. All right, so we do. Here, I'll make it 320 by 180. Here, actually, is there a color? All right. So usually what we do is, because our game is 320 by 180, what I do with our rectangle here is I set this to 320 by 180, but then we scale it up to fit whatever our viewport is, or fit whatever our screen size is. Bum, 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 bum. And then let's say we throw in our world. So we can't really see it because it's, let me see. Actually, we don't see anything. Oh, there we go. But then we go into our texture rectangle. We say the texture is our new viewport texture, and we grab this, and there we go. Now we see part of the map, and it's flipped upside down. All right. But we're not going to throw in our world demo. We're going to throw in our title screen. But it doesn't. Oh, it does show. There we go. All right. Moment of truth. Does this keep the resolution correct? We do need to flip this. And right now this is 320 by 180. We want it to be 640. I'm a little confused. Wait, let me see. Cause yeah, wait, let me go into our project settings. Yeah, we're on 640 by 360, so I don't know why it's still scaled up. Well, worry. Oh no, Hellraiser. That's a cursed comment right there. A worry. Yeah, how's it going, Hellraiser? What you been up to? 360. Alright, why is it not scaling properly? Oh, because we hit 640. Interesting. By 360. Alright, so test nodes, I'm gonna say true pixel art UI. Okay, so there might be an issue with clicking on these buttons, but I'm hoping we can still navigate. Oh wait, no, it doesn't work. Ah shit. It is doing something, but the enter button, like focusing on it, doesn't work. But let me go into our title screen again, and what I'm gonna do is I just want to see what level select looks like when we go into this. Dude, we're still getting sub-pixels. I don't get it. Is there something I'm not understanding? Let me see. Let me set this to 320 by 180. 320. What the hell? Boom, 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 boom. 320 or 180. First day back from you. Nice. You know, let me see something. So this is not what we want, but it is correct now. It's correct, but obviously, like, everything is scaled up. Maybe I'm a little too smooth brain at the moment to understand. Because I don't want it to be this overwhelmingly large, and also the pixels are still stretching. Never mind, this doesn't fix the issue. Let me see. Are we getting... I don't think we're getting stretched pixels in the main scene. Why is it happening? Honestly, we might just stick to higher res UI. I don't get it. Why is it? Doesn't make any sense to me. Let me see something on window. I forgot which one we did. If we did aspect, no, I think we did. We do keep the aspect, and then I think usual. Let me see. I forgot which one it was, but let's try this one. Yeah, yet again, more stretched pixels. Bum 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 bum. What do I do? We do have the, like, if we do increase the UI resolution, I mean, it could look really cool. It'd be great practice for potential future games too. I really like the idea of pixel art UI though. What if we applied some sort of shader on it? I know there's like, you could do like some sort of pixel art shader. I think there's something out there. Let me see something. Godot UI stretched pixels. So we want it to be on 2D. We want it to stretch. Or do we want the viewport? I forgot which one it is. Let's see. Yeah, how's it going, Desired? 69. The size of the root viewport is precisely the base size specified in the project settings display. The scene is rendered to this viewport scene. Finally, this viewport is scaled to fit the screen. Taking the stretch aspect. More VR1. Maybe if I could figure out how to get this title screen setting working, you can humor the idea. So yeah, we've tried both. We've tried both viewport and 2D, and it's still doing the same exact thing. There's no coming back. All right, so 960. Let me think about this. Maybe it's because we're setting our test width. I don't think this should mess with us. But yeah, I'm setting this to 320 by 360. What was the original? Let me try it. 320 by 180. Set this to 320 by 180. Save everything. True pixel art UI. Boom, 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 boom. Do we see any? Obviously, this is not what we want. Alright, let me try this again. 6. Let me see something. 1920 divided by 320 is 6. If we... Okay, I think I know... I think I might know what the issue is. If we're doubling the resolution of our game, so if we're doubling... No. 1920 divided by 640. Oh. It goes in by 3. But is it maybe because this is a weird value? Bum, 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 bum. Try to make the texture image have an even times even pixel size. It does have an even times even pixel size. I think the one thing that we could do to maybe I don't even know if this is gonna work, but like ensuring that the UI is the exact resolution of the screen. So like, I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. Like it's still like what Mr. Glick said, where it's like it's higher res, like, you know, just 1 pixel is represented by like 2 pixels. So it'd be like, you know, 1 pixel is a 2 by 2. But I don't know. I don't like that idea. I don't like the idea of like faking it. But if we have to resort to that, I'm trying to like, I'm gonna keep working at it right now to see if we can figure this out. I'd rather do like vector art or something than to, you know, it is stretched. It's stretched even. Oh no, it's stretched when we just zoom out. That's different. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so project settings. We're at 320 by 320. The width is 640 by 360. Again, it's being stretched. Bum 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 ba dum bum 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 bum. How's it going, Cricket? When we full screen, or like when we, let me see something. If we go into, where did I set the thing to full screen? I thought I put it right here in this ready function. But it seems like that's not where I put it. I guess we'll do it again. Or I commented it out, graphic settings. Oh, I guess we just deleted it. Bust some ass today. Oh, look at that. All right. So if you go into windowed, but I think if you go into, like, you're trying to full screen the game, but it's in windowed, then it does some weird shit, because it's like not the full 1920 by 1080. All right, I think that's the issue. But yeah, it's perfect here. Nothing is warped, right? God damn. That took a little way too long to figure out. I guess that makes sense. If you're like, I wonder if there's a way for me to, like, if you are in windowed mode, if there's a way to still keep the ratio. Let me see something. I have it set to viewport. Maybe I have to set it to 2D. See that again. So yeah, it's fine here. Let me close it. Let's go back into. Let me get rid of this. Set full screen. I mean, people are gonna play in full screen, so it'll be fine. If you play in windowed, that's when it becomes a problem. But I wonder why, like, I thought the whole point of keeping the resolution with that would be, see, yeah, it's back to those weird stretching pixels. And it's weird because this doesn't happen in the game itself. Let me see. I don't think it happens in the game itself. We would see it with, like, the rotating of these, particles here. Yeah, like, there's no stretching pixels. I guess how they have it handle the UI is maybe different from how they handle the sprites. But yeah, usually, I mean, maybe we can do something where we lock the size of the screen, like if you want, and I think that is something that happens in video games, right? Like if you can set the resolution of what you want, and like you can't do anything in between. Because, like, with our current way we set it up, it's like, all right, so we have it like this, and you can stretch it to whatever you want, and obviously that's going to mess with the pixels. And I think there's nothing we can do about that, but they're technically true to their size. And if we did allow for pixel, like, you know, making it true pixel, then a lot of this stuff would be deformed. So I guess it makes sense. Cricket. It was the internet in the 90s, and I had to pick up a cool hacker-sounding handle. And because whenever he makes jokes, it's just crickets. Mm-hmm. You could write something in the pad that side so the pixels are always square tiles, squared sizes. You know, it's weird though. Why doesn't it do the same thing? I think they just do something with the, oh my god. We lock our mouse so we can't do it. We're gonna update how our mouse works. I wonder how the game plays when we mess with the here, actually let me just try this out right now. Do I do this in the main scene? When do we like set mouse on open menu, set confined? Here, let me set input. Here, I forgot what. Visible. I think if you set it to visible, it doesn't capture it. Let me just put this in the main scene real quick. Oops. See, with our game here, yeah, all of the pixels there are just, it seems like it's done perfectly. But for some reason with the UI, it does some funky stuff. Actually. Oh, there is still pixel stretching. Never mind. I was always under the assumption that it was perfect. Interesting. Okay. I guess it's just not even noticeable when you have it like full. Oh, it even happens here. Wait a second. But I wonder if it's because I set the project settings to 2D. Try this again. Yeah, we've even got it here. It's only when it's full screen, when it's like the ratios are perfect, that it doesn't happen. Wait, let me make sure. Come on. So it's weird because, like, I guess maybe it's just not even noticeable. Yeah, it's happening here too. You got a pad to make the ratio square. I see. Like, I thought that's what was happening on the sides. But I guess it's not, like, it's never perfect. Honestly, I probably won't fix that now. But it is something to consider. On full, like, you know, what I might even do is just bind, like, what I might just do is limit the resolutions to the actual like ratio. So like, 1920. Then the next one is if you do like 720, that's when it becomes a problem because or whatever, because it's divisible at 320 is divisible by, what is it, 6? Or it's, it's a factor. It goes into 1920 6 times. So yeah, something weird is happening there. But I don't really like. I think we can figure it out, but I don't really care right now. Just because we have so many other things to do, and it's like such a minor issue. Like most people are playing video games at the resolution that it was meant for. Like most people have a 1920. Even on a what's the resolution of not a Switch, a Steam Deck? Screen resolution 720 1280. Let me see. 1280 divided by 320 is 4. Here, we can try 1280. We can try this 1280 by 800. Let's see, are we getting any stretching pixels here? Bum 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 bum. I'm looking mainly at the particles that are spinning around. That's like the best. Yeah, the particles are not doing anything strange. So yeah, it does work here. Yeah, we can try 1024. So what's 1024? 1024. So, okay, 1024 actually will cause an issue. Because it's not... Yeah, it's 3.2. So yeah, it will cause an issue. Unless we like figure out like what the padding is and like forcing it to scale to a certain size. Bum 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 bum. So I really can't tell actually. But no, I think I do see it though. Like, yeah, this pixel's a little bit larger. But yeah, in most cases, I think worst case scenario, like that'll just be the game. And it's not like I don't think it ruins the game. In fact, I feel like it's technically more, if you're looking into the details a little bit more, it's slightly weird. But in terms of like, visual responsiveness, it's fine. Wouldn't worry too much about the Steam Deck. Wouldn't worry about the Steam Deck too much. Steam Deck controls are not conductive to precision platforming. If they do it, it will likely be on a dock and use an external controller. But yeah, I mean it's fine on the Steam, like the Steam Deck resolution is fine because it's the same ratio as 1920, whereas this is, or it fits into 320. The UI might be slightly weird. But that's okay. So 1920 divided by 2, 1080 divided by 2. All right, let's keep working on the UI then. Wow. Why is there a... Oh, it's because... Alright. So this is what our UI usually looks like. What's my window size? 640. It's good now. Messing with like every edge case, I think is not. I don't think I should worry about it. UI is looking nice. Thank you, Titan. How's it going? Imagine trying to get intimate with this music. Imagine not trying to get intimate with this music. I think it's impossible. I think this is the perfect, you know, sensual music. Some late night VR work, nice. All right, so our UI was kind of shitty looking. Do we want to stick to this? You know, because here, let me try this again with the. I think we will do the double lines. So that means that this has to be. Wait, what did I do here? All right, there's something. Oh, we're doing something wrong here. Damn it. Let me start this over. Here, here we'll start from here. My pixels are here 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. If it all goes well, the demo will be released after that. Is this for Out Here Alone? Did a big multiplayer test of Out Here Alone at the weekend. Had a few issues pop up, been fixing them this week. Nice. All right. Oh, okay. The other issue, if we decide to use double pixels, is that this should be 1 pixel lower. Oh my god. So let's go back here. So we want it to be like this. Oh goddamn, but here, we'll start from here. Or here. There we go. Cove mid, code shid. Alright, so if we decide to keep these double pixels in the middle, which I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Let me see. Here, let's make a new layer. Oh no. Yeah, let's. There we go. All right. So this is the hovered one. I kind of want to just grab this and I might have to do the same thing to this one. Should I update the colors afterwards? Oh, and we gotta fix that. Aprix 12. Why didn't I get a notification? Thank you. And Norman Price. I don't know if I thanked you, but thank you for the follow. Sure, I'm just gonna copy this one because it's the perfect ratio here. I'll do a new layer. Throw this on top. Oh wait, this is the wrong layer. I will keep that. start an NPC haircut fund. You're not wrong. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Why is this? Why is it doing that? Oh, it's because we drew over it. Okay. All right. There we go. And here, let me full screen for you guys. All right, cool. Where do I want to put the buttons? The edit button. Should I put it to the right? Also, do I want to make a UI that holds everything together? And like a shader in the background? Do I want to do something like that? Let me see. Low-key, I want to try some shaders for fun. Oh, we gotta fix this. I think they could be larger. Maybe. Maybe they could be larger. The thing is, I kind of like the minimalism to it, but
Hello there.
let's see. Ooh, waving particles. Oh, particles could be kind of nice. Just particles in general, just in the background, but we'll see. Particles, yeah. Wind Waker. I think the fog was a good addition. Oh yeah, we did have a fog. We can definitely keep the fog in, but I feel like we can find something just better in general. Like something like this, Starfield Parallax. Wait, what was this? We also have that distortion shader that's on our enemy. Ooh, 3D wobbly effect. Kind of cool. remember I used to have this shader in the game, but I don't think it'll work. We used to use this, the star shader. Open this one again. Oh, we still use it. We still use it for our Twilight mechanic. I think we have a good collection. I'll look through the... now I'm looking at this, I find it kind of crappy, but... you know what, let me just try this one. And I want to combine it with our distortion shader, and I think that might look kind of cool. Currently, how am I doing this? Currently we have it on our... each panel, but whenever we add a shader to the panel, it like messes with everything else. We'll have to make like a separate panel, I think, if we want this to work. And I guess we could try it here. We'll try it here, but I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, I'll just add another label, or sorry, another panel. Material, let's do new shader material. Let's go into shader, new shader. So if we were to throw this in here, let me see something. If I were to... I'll try it with the main panel here. You know, another thing we could do is just make every panel invisible, and then the background would be the stars. Now we would only have one shader, not like 20 different ones for each scene. I'm curious what this looks like. Bum, 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 bum. How's it going, Nikki? Thank you. It doesn't really fit the tone. Damn me. Alright, edit. What am I trying to do here? I want to save this. Where are shaders? Doesn't fit the tone yet. We'll see. I wanted to see what happens if we were to put it on the main panel real quick. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, it works. Okay. I thought it was not going to work. Bum, 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 bum. Twilight shader. So we can get rid of this. I don't know if we're gonna use it, but Also, we want to make sure that it's blue. Wait, we set it to blue. Oh, this is a different shader. It's called star shader. Why isn't it working here though? What the hell? Well, this one's wrong. Let me go. Oh, there we go. But yeah, we want to add a parameter here, and we want to make it the same color as this. What the hell? Why does it seem so... Was it always like this? I guess it seems so much brighter. I guess because there are, like, stars in it, it looks brighter. Seems a little weird. Seems brighter than usual. Maybe the shader does something with the color. Wow. Here, wait to remove it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is doing something to the... Maybe I put it in the wrong color. Let me see. 090. 090. No, it's the right one. How's it going, TG? How's your stream? I usually don't stream twice, but yeah, I couldn't sleep last night, so I streamed early. Look at that UI. Oh yeah, you're like a UI god, aren't you? We can fade it out a bit. That could help. But we wouldn't want to fade it out this... Wait, what the hell? Why is it... Oh, okay. Yeah, we can make it a little bit more subtle, too. Why are the pixels stretching again, even on here, on this res? Here, let me full screen it yet again. Just want to make sure. Oh, it's not stretched. It's I messed up with the literally messed up with the art here. What the hell? Looks great. Thank you. I'm really happy with how it looks so far. Looks awful. Delete it. Alright, so we also have this, oh wait, not the pop-up. The edit profile. So I don't know if I like this. One, I don't think I like the color. I think we want to change it back to, I don't know. Not sure, but I also am considering maybe moving it to the right. Or keeping it on the right, like, we just show... Here, let's see what it looks like. Not sure which one I like the most. Oh wait, I'm in full screen. What the hell? Another stream from NPC? Indeed it is. I just keep it like this. It's not terrible. I think the font is bad. At least, here, let me full screen it yet again. Yeah, we'll explore the fonts later. Menu is cool AF, thank you. This just... We just did this today. Like, it wasn't cool. It wasn't this cool yet, yesterday. So I'm really happy. Alright, so I low-key think I want to put the button on the side. I mean, it's a common thing that they do in games. From what I've noticed is like the wait, let me see. Let's look back at all of our references. So yeah, this was our initial reference that we used. And I also like the way Moonlighter looks. And yeah, usually they say like, okay, so yeah, they push it more to the left and then they say like copy or erase, but we're gonna have, you know, like enter game, I guess, maybe, or just by default pressing enter will run it, and then the moving makes it a bit confusing. The moving of what? The little, like the label, the thing below. You mean when this moves like below the scene? I would just have it move to the side and move nothing at all. I see. Yeah, we could do that too. Like just have it be an option, which was what I had it initially. I wonder if I'm gonna add more profiles. Because honestly, having more profiles also looks kind of cool. Like, we can do that. How do I do this? How do I tell the edit profile to move? Update panel array. Select remove child, add child. Show options for panel on input index. Connect show options with focus entered. So we could just comment this out. So this signal never runs, so the button will never move. Oh, also, if we have a new profile, we want to make sure that this is a different boom, 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 boom. I think maybe I shouldn't focus on it too much right now. At the end of the day, I feel like it's... I mean, I'm sure there's some, like, user experience, or, like, you know... I'm sure there's, like, something that can look really, really good. But I don't think this is too bad. I think 4 looks good. I low-key want to push it to the left, but I feel like the center is nice. And also the... Yeah, I don't know about the space shader. But I do also want to try some sort of distortion. So if we look at our wall of flesh, or sorry, not wall of flesh, block of flesh, we had some... Let me see. Wiggly teeth. I had some shader on top of... Oh, is it this one? What's this? Bum, 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 bum. There's something going on with this shader, but I don't know what it's doing. I think it is... Here, let's grab it. Let me save this. I'm gonna save it as distortion underscore shader. Bum, 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 bum. And I'm gonna put it on... For now, I'm gonna just put it on top of this one, just to try it out. So what was that? What did we use? A color rect? Color rect. Whoops. So something's happening, but with this shader, I think we have to animate it somehow. Or does it run? Does it do its magic on its own? 640 by 10 by 1080. Sorry, by 360. So it's obviously gonna mess with our text. Obviously, this is not what we want. Is this how it worked? It's not really that cool. Let me try 1920 or just something larger. Right, 10. Yeah, this is definitely not what we want. Whoa. Why is this kind of cool? It is kind of cool. Loki want to try this shader too. But the thing with this shader, I think, did I get this working before where we could apply it to? We're fragmenting this. I don't really remember how I did it before. We can inspect this one though. Let me see. Canvas item, unshaded. Fragment. Grabbing the screen texture rather than. Let me see. I wonder, what if I what if I just grab screen texture here and screen UV? Let me throw all of this. What the hell is this? Glitch effect. I didn't even know that was there. Oh wait, shit. Are we editing? Oh no, we're just messing with this one, right? Okay. That's okay. And memory is distorted, yep. That's what happens. We also have the glitch effect. Maybe that could look pretty good. But first... distance is 0.5. I don't think we need to say 0.5. Let's see. Screen UV? I'm doing something wrong already. Yeah. Let's see this. Glitch effect. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh. Wow. It's a little too intense. But that is pretty cool. When you change your menu, yeah, we could do that. Or like when you're switching between, yeah, because it's a little distracting, right? We can only play it when like some sort of action is made, and then maybe in the background too, like every once in a while in the background rather than on the UI. Goddamn, why is it doing that though? Screen rate, shake power. Let's see. Rate is equal to 0.2. Why is it still... Bum, bum, bum. Is there a time here? Random time shake speed is less than our shake rate. Oh, our shake rate is this. Okay. Why isn't it... we set it to we set it to 1 second, and yet... Oh, do we need a... Let me see. 0.01? Shake speed, shake rate. Yeah, why is it, hint range from 0 to point... Yeah, weird. Is less... Wait. Is less than our shake rate. I don't know why it's not updated, like 9. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Oh, because it's broken. What the frick? What the frick? Here, let me set this to maybe 5. Why is it still not updating? Or is it because it's set to 0.2 when we run it, and then after that it like updates? Let me see. Boom boom boom. Here, let's set it to 3.0. Set this to 3.0. Okay. This is obviously like too intense for UI, but let me see. I don't know why it's also running so fast. Random time shake speed. Enable shift is shake speed is 5.0. There we go. Let me see. God damn. All right, let me save this real quick. I'll save this in the menu. We'll mess with it some more in just a second. Because I don't think I want it on the UI. I think we'll just have it in the background. We'll see. We'll see. I feel like having it everywhere is fine, but only when you like switch, like you mentioned, when you switch buttons. But having it play in the background too would be kind of cool. Just not over the UI. Where the hell's menu? Where am I blind? I'm blind, but yeah, there it is. We'll do menu effects. Call this glitch. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so, if we have this glitch effect, here, let me add this as a glitch effect. Glitch effect color rect. So as a, if we put this all the way down here, I think we'll see it. Hopefully. We will see it. But if we put it here, we don't see it. Alright, so here, I'm gonna add a panel real quick. And what I'm gonna do with all of these panels here, I'm gonna do a theme override. New star box empty. And we're gonna want to put that shader back in, which was the star shader. I'm really liking this new menu. I don't think we're at a point where like it's acceptable, but I do like it. And more in the matrix. The matrix, yeah. All right. I think what I want to do with this, it's been a day. No, it has not been a day. It has been. It's been almost a week actually. I think we started on Thursday. Maybe even Wednesday. So we've been at it for a while now. In terms of like everything has come together, like it's looking good in terms of like working on the visuals, but in terms of like the functionality, yeah, we've been working on this for a week now. Like a bunch of functionality, so the UI and like the saving system and all that. So yeah, pretty sure it's been more than a week. Let you know right now. We can see my UI stuff, some level design. We started October 5th. Although maybe I did UI stuff here too. Let's see. Oh, so we started working on saves October 4th. Some level design, then planning. What's this? Set frame. Did some, I think we were doing level design, I guess? So yeah, we started October 4. Oh, progression. We started working on the progression manager. Some level design. Yeah. What's this? This was level design, right? Okay. So yeah, we started October 3rd. So it's been 8 days. But in terms of the UI, a little less than that, but yeah, like in terms of like the aesthetic of the UI, we did a lot of it today. But all the functionality and stuff took a while. We're still not done too. Okay. So this color rect, how do I want it to enable shift is equal to float, and then enable shift. So we just want to run enable shift whenever something happens. So we're gonna grab a reference to this, and we'll just connect every single. We'll create a script right here for our title screen menu. That says func enable shader shift, or yeah, just enable shader. We'll say for now. And we'll say we need a reference to it, so we'll say bum 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 bum. Oh, bum 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 bum. Wait, float enable shift. Thought this was a. Times enable shift. Yeah, how's it going, Proton? Did it grab it correctly? Dot enable. I think it'll work. We could also mess with this. I think what we'll actually do is use an animation player. Here, for now, I'm gonna just quickly say, yeah, enable shader on escape. Just want to see if it works. Cleaning my desk here, nice. Oh, enable shift on shader material. Oh, material dot shader. Wait, what? Boom, 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 boom. Did I put the script? Glitch shader dot node dot material dot shader. Do I have to say dot shader? Let me see. How did we do this before? We could do an animation player and that'll fix it, but how did I do it? Dot. Here, wait, we'll just look at Hi, it's Greg. Are you a furry? Maybe. Probably not, though. Set shader. Can't find out till you try. True. Boom, boom. Soon continuing with the track editor for your game. Nice. How do we... Dot material. I know I do this sometimes. Dot material dot set. Okay, dot set shader material is what it is. Wait, no, not that set shader material. Set shader parameter, oh my god. Progress, okay, yeah. Set shader param. Of enable shift. But yeah, I think we'll use an animation player. That way we can actually, like, mess around with it. Never did get a response from Twitch about the game developer badge. Guess I'll apply again. Yeah, you might need to, yeah, applying again might help. I remember... I just don't know, because I applied twice, but I don't know if they just responded to my first request, or because I applied twice, they responded. Need an NPC maybe counter? Do I say maybe a lot? Do I say maybe when, like, someone suggests a feature and I'm like, yeah, maybe? Maybe. So here, I can only we could add a few more lines of code to make this work, but I low-key just want to add an animation player. It's so much easier. All it's gonna do is set enable shift to 1.0 for like a split second, and then go back to 0. And then we can also play it randomly too. So like we can do both. Maidenless behavior. Maybe. All right. So enable shift, and I don't know, we'll try 1, and then go back to 0. Is there any way to, why is it, it's not continuous, it just goes, oh, it is continuous, all right. All right. All right, cool. So right now it's only going to run when we press the escape button, but check it. It's a little too slow though. Let's turn it up. .4. Too shaky. How's that? It's whenever I press the escape button right now, but it's gonna be on interactions, or like when you press the start button, it'll do it. Might be a photo sensitivity. Pum pop papa. Pum pop papa. I will show you what I mean in just a second. We don't have it sending a signal to our let me see. I don't know if we have anything that like communicates with this script. I guess we could technically we could do it on every unhandled event. Like if the player presses, right now we're saying it on UI cancel, but we can say like if event is equal to UI down, or if just a new button is like right now we have it on first node. So the thing is, we have a bunch of buttons in our game, and we could literally just say, well, we don't have access to our buttons. But we could add it to a group. So we could go into, for instance, our save selects. There is focus entered or something. Let me see. Can you change the actual color split? Like epilepsy? So I'm... Do you think it'll cause epilepsy? Again, it's not gonna happen... Like me spamming it, the only time it's happening right now is because I was spamming it. But it'll only be on the button presses. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll try to reduce it if it's too much. But I'm trying to think, how should we do this? We could add it to a group if we really wanted to. So like every... So we could call it a main menu button. And basically just every main menu button that we have, any button that we have in our game, we're gonna add it to this, oh, wait, let me copy this and delete it, and then we wanna go into this, and we wanna add it here. We also wanna go into our profile. We wanna add it here as well. Main menu button, we also wanna add it to... We'll see. We'll see if we want to... If this will work out. But we also want it in every single one of these buttons. Oh, which we already did. Anywhere else? Obviously in the first button that we have here, first start. Oh, we added it. Oh my god, I did everything. Okay. And then the save select. We don't have it on the... When you're like editing your... When there's the pop-up, I think that's fine though. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna say for main menu in get tree dot get nodes in group main menu button main menu button dot connect. Should call it main menu buttons. We're gonna connect our pressed, maybe pressed and maybe even focused. We'll see. Pressed with self and enable shader, or yeah, enable shader. All right. Let's see how this works, or how it looks. What the hell? Function connect in base button. Menu button.gd cannot convert argument 3. Oh. So how is that? Loki wanna also do focused. Focus entered. Is it? I think it's focus entered like this. So every time we switch to a new button, it shakes. Maybe I'll make that one a little bit less intense. So we have the glitch effect. Maybe we'll rename it to like button pressed glitch. And then we can also have the We have a new animation called, here actually let's just duplicate this one. We'll call it button focused. Glitch. Can you only navigate with the mouse? You can navigate with any input. So right now we have this set to, why is it not showing me the, oh, right here. So maybe we want this to be like maybe 0.2, like a very small amount. I don't even know if we're gonna notice anything. Let's see. Oh, it's still, why is it still, oh, because we're still playing the same animation. With an argument of like, alright, let's just do button pressed, shader button pressed. How's it going, Ired? How's that? It's just, you know, just barely. But then when you press enter, oh. And we need, obviously, once we have the sounds playing, it'll do like some, I don't know what it'll do for the sounds, but it'll be cool. Yeah, it's very subtle. Switching, low-key want to make it a little bit more recognizable. Here, wait. On the animation, I want to do maybe not point, maybe 0.5. Let's try 0.5. No, that's a little too much. 0.25. Let's try 0.3. Menu's looking good, thank you. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. Also, I think we can make our buttons much larger. We'll figure out the whole UI situation later. I'm not too worried about it. I mean, the font and everything. The side bubble seem. Oh yeah. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna keep that. The buttons are pretty whack at the moment. Yeah, let me see. We can. I think it's because our buttons here are stretched. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, what? Where are the, Oh, I'm just blind. Yeah, because they're stretched. Because this is set to a full rectangle, but we could technically center it if we want it. If we want to. You would see it here. We can mess with it. I'm not sure what we're gonna do just yet. I wonder if I might even do something similar to how we have it set up here. where like each button has its own little rhombus and flame attached. Oh, we're like bugged here. Let me turn this off. Cool. We have to update this new profile as well. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm really happy. I want to see what else do we. Here, let's. Working menu with shaders. Updated UI of player select. I'd make the glitch effect on changing focus a little bit more subtle. We can make it subtle. Yeah, maybe it is too much. Here, I'll put it on. Right now it was at 0.3. I thought 0.2 was too subtle, but. Also, because I'm not full screened, maybe that's why I'm noticing it way too much. Or I'm not noticing it enough. We also might change this background. I'm not sure if it'll actually stick to this. Yeah, we might change. Like definitely, like the select profile is gonna change. Yeah, I'm not even sure if we'll keep this background. I might do something else. I'll be right back. Gotta pee. All right. I'm really happy. I think we're gonna. So, we messed up with our saving system. With the global position of the player, saving the position of the player. Also, we need to make sure that we're focusing this button. We might want to put that shader. I wonder why. I guess. Yeah, this being its own scene actually kind of makes sense. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. All right. Do we want to update the options menu now? Is that what I want to do? Ba-bum-bum. 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 How's it going, Grumble? Yeah, I think we're gonna switch to this. Yeah, I want to explore working on the UI some more. It's been fun, and I feel like we can get something looking really cool right here. I think our options menu at the moment is also kind of trash. In terms of like how it's written. Bum, 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 bum. So here, I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm not gonna rewrite the menu, at least not anytime soon. Shoulder bumpers, yeah, that's not a bad idea. Switching between like UI buttons and gameplay buttons. Boom. The only issue with that is like accessibility. Like sometimes like games force it, and then like, you know, sometimes people like, I don't know, maybe you can't use bumpers for whatever reason. And I feel like accessibility is like something that I really want to focus on. So we're gonna change this into an H box instead. Oh wait, no, sorry, a V box. And then we're gonna change this to an H box. Boom, 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 boom. Bum, 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 bum. And then size flags expand horizontally here. I don't know why this is, I don't know what this is for. Maybe we'll find out. I think it's good. I forgot how this works. Let me see. Wait, actually, why is this not showing up? Nothing is showing here. Do we have to set it to expand vertically? There we go. Alright, let's test this out. Oh wait, we don't open up options menu 3. Options menu. Oh yeah, I think this is so much better, right? Obviously, like, this has to be updated. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. It'd be nice if we can fit all of this. Maybe I can throw, because we have the full screen now. Finally finished my work. Nice. Is it time to game or is it time to sleep? Call it a night. I see. I'll see you, Titan. Boom boom. Have a good night. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. So, keyboard, we have like I wonder if I should do just dead zone, like one dead zone, and apply it to all directions. Also, I think I want to put gameplay first, right? Gameplay then display. Honestly, I don't really have too many, like the display settings. They're kind of gameplay settings. Besides like full screen. Yeah, we could throw this into gameplay. Like usually display is meant for graphic settings. Which is, wait, this is supposed to, isn't this our brightness variable? Oh, maybe I think it gets updated. It gets updated once we instance the game. Alright, let's go into our controller bindings. So yeah, I could change this to a grid. Or wait, no. We want to add a grid. Throw all of these in here. Wait, what? And inside our grid we say 2. And then inside of here, I think, are we manually setting this? The size is, how are we doing this? Size flags. There's no size flags. Expand, there we go. It's not showing our settings here. Not anymore. The way I wrote the script, I honestly don't like the way I did it. I think we said like, oh, add a key to edit. No, how do we do it? Maybe in the script here. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, see, the labels do get added. I guess we could split it into two if we really wanted to. I'll just leave it like this for now. Eventually we're gonna update all of this. One other issue is the, what was it, sounds? Sounds is like, what happened here? Are we like setting the size manually? Boom, boom. We do give it some, should we give it a margin container? Is that, it's usually what? Let me see. If we go into here, what are these? Scroll containers, and what is this? This is a panel container. If we go into here and we add a, let me see, wait. Theme overrides, styles, panel, no. See, if we go and add a margin container, and then throw all of the, actually our references might get screwed up here. But let me see. Margin left, let's say it's like, I don't know, 20 on the right, actually negative 20 on the right, and then 20 on the left. Does this work? Oh, no, it doesn't. Wait, let me see. Maybe this would be 20. Oh, there we go. 40. 40. Kind of like that. And I wonder if the references are good now. Let me see. Bum 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 bum. Yeah, like current panel for key bindings. Yeah, we have to like reset this. Like there's a margin container right here. Boom, boom. Oh. Uh-oh. Current panel. Display. Is that it? Holy, what the frick? I think, oh, we must have set one of them to visible. There we go. There we go. I mean, if we ever want to change it, we can, but yeah, it looks not too bad. This part looks weird because now we're scrolling. I think we can probably fit everything inside one, and then we wouldn't need a scroll bar. Yeah, in fact, I think what we're gonna do with the dead zone is not have, you know, every dead zone. We're just gonna, you know, I'll fix it. I don't like the way I'm doing this either. Well, we're gonna fix this, but for now, let me go into the, what do we, slider? Option slider. And we do dead zone up, you know, we're just gonna say dead zone. We're gonna call it dead zone. Alright, you know what? Let's just do this. Controller. Analog. And we'll do, you know, all of these. Alright, and just throw this in here. Okay. Controller, analog, dead zone. Let's go into our controller settings, and we're gonna delete all of these. Name it to that. There we go. And it'll change everything. I wonder why this one's like a little bit more bold than the rest. Oh no, I guess it's just the resolution. Alright, cool. We still need to fix this menu. Obviously this looks like crap, but so what have we done? We haven't finished this. Refactor dialogue. Continue button. Chapter select button. Reset button. Oh. So much. What do I want to do first? Refactor dialogue before you start. I've been in the mood for like just updating the aesthetic since we've done so much lately. There's still some minor issues, like what happens if you just click on it? Do I just want to let you? If you hover over something, let me see. I think if you press the arrow keys, we want to make sure that the mouse disappears. Yeah, we'll do that later though. Oh, and our input select profile broke. Because we do something with the... Where is it? Oh, it was because we pressed X on an empty profile. All right, yeah. Let's add some sounds. I think that's what I'll do today. Alright, so how do we want our sounds to play? We can add it to every menu button and then just have everything be consistent. So we already did that with our... Here, wait, let me look at our menu. I know we have some sounds already, like for this and these buttons. We actually made a scene for it. We can also... We can also just do it in our title screen menu scene. Have it play sounds through here, since we want the sound to play for every button. And I also don't know what sounds I want to use. Let me see. Do we have a UI? Let's see, sounds. You know, there's this one sound that I really like. Tick sound. What is this? I like this one. Low key. 2022 sounds. Paid sounds. In-game effects. We have a menu. So we use this, I'm pretty sure. I like the... Is this what we're currently using? Kind of like this one the most, though. So what were we... Let me see. Usually, I think we're grabbing our sound node. This is simple menu sound select 2. And which one did I say I liked? I like 3 now. So this was 2. Very subtle. I mean, it's just higher pitch. And we actually had this. We set this to 1.1. And I think what we do, if I remember correctly, we do some weird thing with the pitch. Depending on what you're pressing. Or... No, maybe not. But we could. But yeah, let's grab that menu sound. So it's ESM simple menu select 1. And then what's our confirm sound? It's select. So this. And then this. But we could also do this. Is this the same thing? Back. Oh, we use it for back menu apparently. That's the same as this, right? Oh, it's not. Oh yeah, it's the same as this. But yeah, low-key kind of like this this click more. So for confirm, we have this. Or this. I think I like this one. And then menu back. Not sure. Also, why is this one set to -10? Yeah, why is it so much louder? I guess maybe it's a maybe it's a different Crackle menu. What is this? Crackle menu. Chapter 3 Crackle menu. Interesting. No, I'm just gonna leave that for now. Actually, I don't know if I like it. Reminds me of. I mean, I think it's good, but I want a different sound. I want some like. Here, I don't know. We're gonna look through some sounds. First I'm gonna look at Hollow Knight. Here, let me actually, maybe we could just find Hollow Knight UI. Oh, I have to click it ourselves. God damn, that's loud. Also, you can't navigate. You have to navigate with a mouse. Interesting. Ooh, I like those clicks. This is the stuff I'm talking. This I don't know why, but I love these sounds here. I'm not. I think the sounds for like hovering the buttons are good. They don't call out to me, but that doesn't mean they're. I don't think they're bad. Curious to see Celeste. So they are like every game seems to have the same like. It seems like almost all the sounds are the same. It's very I don't know, like mystical. And that's sort of what we have with these menu sounds. So maybe I'll keep it. Not with this one, but the original one that we had. So which one was that? Was that this? We also we're saying play pressed glitch. Can we connect multiple? Can I duplicate this and also say play sound, play click sound? Um. Currently, these buttons already do that, so we wouldn't need this. Oh, we have play confirm and play click. So that's what I did. I think that's the same thing though, that play click. But maybe we want to do it that way instead. Let me see. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I think for yeah, we'll leave it the way it is for now. We don't have a back button. I don't think. Let me see. Yeah, we don't. Let's do that real quick. So the back button, we have this back menu 2. Let me look at sounds. Menu back. This is 3, which is what we're using for this. And what's this? This is 1. This is 3. So I guess we can throw 2 in there. I don't know. Sure, why not? So menu back. Do we have a menu back? Whatever. Let's just do it. So for escape, go to previous panel. On go to previous panel, we're gonna say we'll just say do I have a reference to this? Menu menu back. Back menu. Yeah, me. Why doesn't it focus when we go back? We want to make sure it grabs focus. We have that function. Create signals. We usually say .enter panel or something like that. First start button, grab node, grab focus. We're doing this currently in the enter panel, but yeah, we want to say enter panel here. I guess we can say it here. Enter panel just says grab focus of the first button if you have one. I'm pretty sure. Okay, that's weird. Here, wait. I'm not sure why it doesn't grab focus of this, but maybe we never created that. Never told it to. Yeah, it doesn't have a first button. That's why it wasn't working. It's playing 2 sounds at the same time. So on the initial grab focus, we don't want it to play a sound. There's no way for us to actually Ba-bum. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah, we'll call it here. Made some decent progress. Bum ba bum ba bum. Who's online? Got Nikki B hobbying. We got Mr. Elliptic. There are a lot of people streaming now.
That's it. I'm going on the dump.
I've never rated. I don't think I've ever rated Mr. Elliptic, so we'll go for him. But yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. If you want a wishlist memory, you can find it here. Is our bot working? Oh, there we go. I might take another nap. We'll see. Oh, let me start the raid. I'll see you, Tomer. Till next time. I'll be back. We'll see you. Yeah, how's it going, Aaron? Nap time, let's go, yeah. I'll see you, Aaron. Just getting to your PC. Nice. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Till next time.
On the sides, and it's going to tilt it slowly. If you're very, very, very unlucky,